Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the beauty world, the Peach & Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit. If you're looking for that smooth, luminous, and clarified complexion that's all the rage, this might just be the skincare set you've been waiting for. This kit is your shortcut to achieving that coveted glass skin look. Inside, you'll find 4 key products: the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, Wild Dew Treatment Essence, Glass Skin Refining Serum, and Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. All of these come in travel-friendly sizes, making it perfect for those who want to try out this routine or take it on the go. Now let's break down the experience. The Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser is the first step in this regimen. It has a smooth gel texture that lathers effortlessly when mixed with water, gently cleansing the skin without stripping it. It leaves the skin feeling fresh and hydrated, setting the perfect base for the next steps. The Wild Dew Treatment Essence follows, and I have to say I really appreciate how it absorbs into the skin. It's lightweight, and I noticed my skin feeling softer and more balanced after application. The Glass Skin Refining Serum is where the magic starts to happen. With a slightly thicker consistency than the essence, it smooths onto the skin beautifully and provides that radiant glow you're aiming for. I used it both morning and night, and the results were immediate. My skin looked dewy and refreshed. Finally, the Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream seals everything in. This cream is incredibly nourishing, leaving your skin with a soft, smooth finish that's not too heavy or greasy. It's the perfect last step for a dewy glow that lasts throughout the day. In terms of performance, I have to say I'm impressed. This kit really delivers when it comes to achieving a radiant, glowing complexion. I used the products as directed, both in the morning and evening, and over the course of a few days, my skin looked visibly more hydrated and healthy. The products work harmoniously together to enhance each other's effects, so you're getting that glass skin look with every step. When it comes to pros, the Peach & Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit excels in several areas. First, the products are all clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, which is a huge win for conscious beauty shoppers. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, and the formulas are gentle yet effective, perfect for sensitive skin. On the downside, the sizes of the products are smaller than full size, so this kit might not last you long if you're using it consistently, but it's great for testing the routine without committing to full-size bottles right away. Now, how does it compare to other skincare kits on the market? When it comes to achieving the glass skin look, Peach & Lily stands out by incorporating high-quality, effective ingredients that are rooted in Korean beauty. While other brands may offer similar products, this kit is unique in how it combines hydration with clarity for that porcelain-like finish. Plus, the price point is competitive for the quality you're getting. For the value, you're definitely getting a premium experience for the price. These products are highly effective, and if you're someone who wants to give your skin that extra glow, the investment is worth it. Plus, if you're new to Korean skincare, this kit is a perfect introduction to see if their unique formulations work for you. The build quality of the products is top-notch. The textures are smooth, and the products don't feel cheap or overly scented, which is often a concern with some skincare lines. Each item is thoughtfully formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin while still delivering visible results. User-friendliness is another big plus. The step-by-step routine is easy to follow, and I appreciate how well the products layer on the skin. They don't feel heavy or greasy, and they absorb quickly, making them perfect for both day and night routines. In terms of customer support, Peach & Lily has a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful, but I didn't need to reach out as everything was clear from the instructions provided with the kit. I tested the products for about a week and the results were impressive. My skin felt plumper, more hydrated, and had a healthy, radiant glow. If you have acne-prone skin or just want to up your skincare game, this set could work wonders. Final thoughts? If you're after a skincare kit that delivers results, radiant, smooth, glass-like skin, then this is definitely worth trying. I highly recommend it, especially if you're someone looking to boost hydration, clarity, and that lit from within glow. Who would benefit most from this? If you're a skincare enthusiast who loves experimenting with K-beauty, or you're someone looking for a fresh, dewy complexion, this kit will work wonders for you. It's also great for anyone with sensitive skin who's looking for clean, cruelty-free products. As for longevity, since I've only had the kit for a short period, I can't speak to long-term use, but based on the formulation, I expect it to be a consistent performer. Thanks so much for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you're interested in picking up the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Discovery Kit, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried it or if you're considering it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Goodbye till next time, and remember, stay glowing, beauties!